Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can restart the iPhone using AssistiveTouch. No buttons required on the iPhone 15 series. So first, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we scroll down and then tap on Accessibility. Next, tap on Touch, then tap on AssistiveTouch, and from here you can tap on AssistiveTouch toggle button to turn it on. After, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Now in here you can tap on the AssistiveTouch button, then tap on Device, then tap on More. From here, tap on Restart, and then tap on Restart button, and this will allow your phone to restart. And so you don't need to press on the side and volume up or volume down buttons. You can simply just tap a few buttons on the AssistiveTouch menu, and your phone will restart for you. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.